Hey guys, so I'm doing a little bit different of a video this time. Normally I do a day in my life, but this time it's going to be a weekend in my life because I'm going to Bemidji and my boyfriend and I are going to stay at a state park. We're going to go camping, do a bunch of fun stuff. So I thought it would be a different type of video for you to see. It's more than a day in a life, and it's also a lot of different activities than what I normally do, because normally I'm just like at home working or doing stuff like that. So this is going to be a lot different of a video, and hopefully it's more entertaining. It's more just different for you to watch, so you're not watching the same things over and over again. And yeah, I hope you enjoy, and hopefully I remember to pick up the camera to videotape a bunch of stuff over the weekend. But yeah, I'm really excited to, see how the weekend goes. I'm really excited to go camping. I haven't gone at all this summer. And we have a tent. He's got food already. So we were going to go biking, but I don't think we're doing that anymore. But anyway, it's going to be fun. I'm very excited. What I'm not excited for is this 3-hour road trip that I have. If you know me, you know I hate driving. Absolutely hate driving. So the fact that I'm going to have to drive more than 2 hours is not fun to me. Because I drive 2 hours to school, so like 2 hours is really nothing. But 3 hours is pushing it for me. And I'm going somewhere I haven't driven there yet. So I'm just interested to see what happens. So, well, I guess you'll see. We'll see if I make it there in one piece. But I'll check in with you guys later. So the plan was to have brats for supper, but we got rained out. So we are going to go eat at the Green Mill and have some pizza. So that's the plan for now. I'll probably check in with you guys later. Hopefully it stops raining so we can have s'mores. guys, so today is the last day of our camping trip, and right now we're going to eat an early supper before we both go, because we both have like 3-4 hour drive back. So we are eating near the beach for the last time. We did that the first time we got here, right? Yeah. So now we're gonna make cheeseburgers. Hopefully they turn out good. So yeah, that's the plan. But we're eating right here. It's like, so we get a good view of the beach. And it's actually not too busy today. Oops, sorry guys. It's not too busy today because it is pretty chilly out, so nobody's really swimming. There is a couple kids out there, but I mean, that's fine. They aren't even being that loud actually, but I'm just surprised that they're swimming right now. It's cold out. So anyway, that's the plan. We're gonna have cheeseburgers and then it is time to head home. I don't know how much more I'll film after this. Probably not at all. Maybe I'll film our food and like the beach before we leave, but that's about it. And then we're gonna go home. And I know this kind of vlog was like a little all over the place, but that was because things were a little all over the place. And like so we were planning on like having s'mores the first night, and then it rained, and then the next day things like kept going wrong. Like we got lost with all the detours at one point. That took us a while. We tried making pancakes one morning. Yeah, it was yesterday morning, and we couldn't get the fire going. We didn't have Pam, so the pancakes were sticking to everything and it just didn't work out very well. So we've ended up having to eat out twice. Not last night, but the night before. We were gonna have brats for supper, and then it started pouring, so we had to go out to eat. So we just went out and we had pizza, and then last night we finally got our first fire and we had s'mores. I think I put a video in there for that. This morning we went out for pancakes because we didn't know that it was supposed to rain last night, and we had our logs outside, so they were completely wet, so we would not have been able to start a fire anyway. So this vlog is really going to be all over the place, and a lot of it is time-lapse videos because it was just easier, and like sometimes there was music going and things like that, so it's just easier if I have things playing over, and I wasn't going to talk the whole time, and especially when there's a bunch of people around. So it's going to be a lot of time-lapse things, and hopefully you still enjoyed it though. So I'll see you guys in my next daily vlog.